Críostóir Ó is anam dom go hundúil de gná bíon mé 2FM ar ina híthe le Colleen Allin dar bhanam Ciara agus bíon with the seafú tartan sin an could just smooth enough. For me it was never really an experience because I just grew up with it. It was normal. Éist tá na héanaí ag canna was the first thing I learned, I think, because obviously that would be highbrow by preschool standards. So that means listen, the birds are singing, and I think it was because there was some video on or something that was like that. BUINNEACH is all-encompassing when you want to express a certain emotion. There's no phrase like it in English. BUINNEACH in English means diarrhea, but it doesn't mean diarrhea when you use it in Irish. It can mean contempt, it can mean I disagree with what you're saying, it can mean I think you're a terrible person, it can mean all kinds, depending on its context. It's lovely. I think anybody can speak it, but I think the unfortunate thing is that the stereotypes are the loudest and most annoying vocal minority within the groups of people who speak Irish. I guess the snobbery that goes on and the infighting and almost like civil war there is in Irish about from the people who think, oh, this is how you speak it, and unless you speak it that way you can't speak it at all and don't even bother trying to speak it, and then the people who really are doing their best and who maybe just don't have it to the same level that those other people might expect them to have it to, and then no one's comfortable and then everyone's fighting when we should just be speaking more Irish.